Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video we have to guide you how to fix your iPhone 16 or a 16 plus it is won't turn on or a charge. Okay, it is a 16 or 16 plus won't turn on charge. So we have to follow the some troubleshooting step. So first one we have to check the charging accessories. Okay, inspect likely ensure that your charging cable and adapter are not damaged. So we have to look for phrase bands and any other sign of where that is a damages or something they have a problem with that device. Okay, so also we have to try a different outlet, likely plug your charger into a different power outlet source to rule out any issue with the outlet itself. Okay, so these are the first thing you have to check this. Also we have to use a different charger. Okay, so now we have moved to second solution, likely force restart of your phone. Sometimes they have some glitches or a minor problem, that's why they are not want turn on or charging. So simply we have to give them a force restart. So how you can do this? Simply we have to first quickly volume up button and volume down button we have to press this, and power button we have to press and hold this after, like I will show you. And until we will see of this screen goes turn off, we have to press and hold this power key. Now we have to release this. So this will take us some time to give them a start of this iPhone. So now after this device is turned on, we have to see this problem is resolved or not. Okay, so we will back when this phone is turned on. So after turn on this phone, we have to plug them in a charging. Now see it is take charging or not. Okay, so if this solution is not resolve the problem, we have to move to next solution. Likely we have to charge your iPhone. Okay, so we have to put them up for about a few minutes, or sorry, at least a 30 minutes we have to take them in a charging. So sometimes they have a fully drained battery, so they will not turn on because of their totally of your battery's drain. So we have to give them a for at least 30-minute charge before turn on this device. Okay, and also we have to do for a check for physical damage. Inspect your iPhone for any sign of physical damage such as crack or water exposure which could affect its functionality. Also we have to check their here power sources, so they have not some any physical damages here or not. Okay, we have to inspect all of this device, and we have to try all of the steps but not resolve the problem. So likely we have to seek a professional help. If none of the above steps work, it may be a time to contact the Apple support or visit an Apple store or authorized service provider for further assistance. There could be an under likely they have some hardware issue with that require a professional diagnose and repair. By following this step, you should be able to troubleshoot and potentially resolve issue with your iPhone 16 and 16 plus not turning on or a charging. So thank you.